ಟು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಟಿವಿ. ಪ್ರಿಯ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದಿದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ, ಆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಪರಿಸರದ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರಿ ಚಾನೆಲ್ನ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಳ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ.
Welcome to Forest Nature TV. I am in Naveen Marlavadi. We have many questions about snakes. First of all, seeing snakes in general scares everyone at least once. But there are some interesting things about snakes. You will be surprised to know about this. How do snakes have sex? The answer to this question is that male snakes grow a little faster. Compared to that, female snakes take longer to grow. Snakes usually have sex when they are mature enough to lay eggs. This is what we call snake conch. Actually, at that time two snakes mate. Why does a snake shed its sheath? First, baby snakes shed their sheath 4 times a year. Large snakes shed their membranes twice a year. Because it is important for snakes to shed the membrane to have a healthy life. Furthermore, snake skin cells do not grow at the same rate as they age. That is why a snake sheds its sheath. Snake eggs don't hatch. Snakes usually lay eggs. 10 to 15 eggs can be laid at a time. Snakes lay eggs only in summer. After hatching, the mother snake leaves the young. However, many species of snakes hatch within their bodies. All those snakes give birth to young. But see, baby also comes from egg. Which snakes are poisonous? We have 2,900 species of snakes in the whole world. Among them there are only 600 species of poisonous snakes. All other snakes are non-venomous. So there is no need to panic if you see a snake unnecessarily. How long does a snake live? There are about 2,900 species of snakes. They can live anywhere in deserts, jungles, underwater. Snakes adapt to any weather conditions. Generally, the lifespan of a snake is 20 to 30 years. 50 years live again. There are special non-venomous snakes that can live up to 100 years. But wild snakes die quickly. In that case, the average lifespan of snakes is 2 to 8 years. Why do snakes bite? Snakes do not bite unless they are scared or their body is injured. All snakes want to escape. Snakes are very scared because they cannot see. Bites because of fear. So it is difficult to tell which snake will bite. Any snake, venomous or non-venomous, can bite if frightened. How many types of snakes are there? As mentioned earlier, there are 2,900 species of snakes, out of which 600 species of snakes are poisonous. Snakes can survive for a long time without food. The study found the existence of snakes since the beginning of the earth. Snake is very important animal for nature and ecosystem. Welcome.